Alright guys, I got my heads back. They have been CNC ported. I did wind up sending them to Modern Muscle Extreme. Big thanks to Byron. I deal with him a lot. These are heads off my 15 Challenger that I'm building. I'll show you what they look like here. Look pretty good. Looks like they mostly done the roof and the sides of the intake runners and a couple in the middle spot of the floor they left. So they did open them up pretty decent. I did take before and after measurements. I'll show you in a minute and then we may go through it. Here's the exhaust side. I don't know how well you can see it, but turn it around here. Looks like they've done a lot. They concentrated on more work inside the bowl area where the valves are instead of the runners. Okay, so now what I'm going to try to do, got a little telescoping little bore gauges. I got different sizes in these. Then we'll take a caliper and measure it. Okay, I've got this in here. I've got it set out. I'm going to lock this, then we'll measure here. Now this is side-to-side measurement of the intake valve inside the bowl. That's what it measures. Okay, now we'll do the up and down. Right, you can see what I'm going to measure now. Let me lock this down and we'll measure it. Okay, there is the measurement on that. Now we'll go to the exhaust side. Right, as you see, I'm going to go to the up and down. Alright, there is the measurement on that. Now we're going to go to the runners. I'm going to do the intake openings. As you can see, zero my caliber out. Zeroed. It is 1.94, 1.943. That is the width, and here is the height. I don't know how well it's going to show up. Alright, now we're going to measure the inside. We'll go in here. Just give me a second and I'll have you measure. Alright, we're going to measure this. The width, inside. Okay, here's what we had on that. Now we're going to measure the height now. Let's see if I can do this. Alright, that is the height. Now we're going to go to the exhaust side and measure it. Alright, we're going to measure the opening. It is, let me do it this way. One 120. Alright, the width at the widest point, 174. 1746. Alright, now we're going to do the inside. We're going to do the width. Height should be the same. We'll go inside the bore here. that is what we got for that. And I'm going to put some before pictures in here right now. These will be before. They're just opening measurements. I didn't go inside and do that with the little bore gauge before. But this just give you a rough idea. These are not, I mean, they're a rough measurement, just to give people an idea what they get. But give you guys one more look at them. They should flow close to stock 6.4 392 Hemi heads. Should be close in the same CFM range. I mean, give or take maybe 10, 15 CFM. We'll see. We'll see how they do. But we'll show you guys something else here. Got something else in, so. I want to show you this real quick. Took the factory pillar. Just bought 2 of those universal gauge pods from Glow Shift. Made my own gauge pod instead of paying $350 for the one from Speed Logic, which I'll probably get that one eventually, but this will work for now. I stuck a boost gauge in it. Still got to get my wideband. Put that in it. But just wanted to show that. Just a little bit of measuring. Self-tapper screws on the back. Drilled some holes on each of these. Wasn't too bad. But that gives you an idea what it looked like. Got a few more parts. These are the valve springs. These are the Manton valve springs that Modern Muscle is now selling. I went with these. We're going to try these out. Also got the chromoly retainers, just drop-in springs. ARP main studs. Still got to get the head studs, and I got my injectors in from Fuel Injection Clinic. These are 1000 cc injectors. This is what I'm going to use for now. I may upgrade them again later. We'll see. But just wanted to show you a few of the parts. Got a heck of a lot more to go. Alright guys, wanted to show you my headers. I went with Stainless Works. This is their Stainless Power series line. They're just a little bit cheaper, but it came with everything. Can't beat it for the price, I don't think. You got your O2 extensions, front and rear. 1 7/8 headers. Gives you the option to go catless or catted. Comes with the cats. Now I'm not sure how these will hold up to high power, but if I do run cats, I'll probably buy the Cook's green cats. You can buy them separate and just add them on. I might do that, or I might just go ahead and just run it catless. We'll see. But yeah, they look to be good quality. I didn't get no ceramic coating or nothing, just stainless. It's supposed to be stainless. 1 7/8 primaries. This is the inside of the collector. You can see it. The clamps. This is for 2 3/4, I believe, and 3-inch adapters. It gives you both of them to adapt it to your exhaust, whichever size you got. But yeah, overall they look to be pretty decent quality. We'll see how they fit when I get everything done and start putting the car together. But that's all for this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.